Hey, to update software on your OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, first of all, you will have to just go into the settings. And of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then you will have to just scroll all the way down and select About Device. Now, as you can see, when the update will be available, you can actually find this information right here. So you can click here to view update. Now just wait for this updating information. And as you can see right here, we can find some actually updates that adds support for ultra volume mode, an option to increase the volume up to 300%. Wow, that's a lot. It actually improved the sound performance, improved the user experience of fingerprint unlock, and also improved the system stability. There's also some kind of Bluetooth fix and stuff like this. So now all you have to do is just to click on the install. By the way, be sure that your battery is actually above 10 or around 30 or even 50%, because it will actually drain a lot of the battery. You can actually plug the charging cable right here. And now the smartphone actually turns off, then it will be turned on and it will actually start applying all the update. So you just have to wait until the update will be finished and you will get a notification that everything is actually finished. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.